Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this espresso machine. This is a nice little compact machine that's got everything that you need on here. You actually just plug it into the standard 110 outlet, and then you've got your power button right here. It lights everything up, and then it just kind of blinks as it heats up. Now you can either do a single shot espresso or a double shot, and then you have your steam button over here, which has just got the little frother right over here that does pivot all the way around. You've got your removable water tank right here in the back that is also nice and clear, so you can see how much is left on there. And you have a little warming tray at the top, so you can just put your cup up there and let that warm up beforehand. Now, your bottom part does have a little tank under here that you will be able to remove if you needed to get more space. You can just take all of that out, and that way you can have a bigger cup if you have it. But leave that in there, that would be really easy to clean up. So now that this has stopped blinking, we now know that this is completely heated up. So then we can take our espresso measure, so it comes in just your double shot, or you have a single shot insert that you can use as well. And then you have your measuring spoon along with the tamper on this side. So we will just add in some coffee here and get it started up. So once you get your espresso in there, you just use this to tamp it down. Then you will take it underneath side of the machine here. So there's a line underneath here that you just get this in, get to the correct position, and then you just turn it, get the right spot, and then you are ready to start making your coffee. So now that I've got my coffee in there, I am just going to put my cup under, and then we will select a single shot, and it will count down for our espresso here. And then once that's done, now we can actually go over and we will turn on our steam button over here. That is right on the side of the machine right here, and get that ready to go. So then once that stops blinking, then we will get our steam for our milk. So now that our steam button is solid, we can go ahead and use the steamer. And right here on the side of the machine, it just has no steam and steam. So we're gonna put our cup under there. And it does have this nice rubberized area here that you can grab the metal without actually getting too hot on yourself. So then we are just going to crank that on and let it froth up our milk for us. All right, I've got the milk all nice and frothed. You can see it looks great in there. Easily pour that into the coffee, and you've got yourself a nice drink for the morning. Worked great. Nice little machine that is nice and compact. Tells you all of the displays here, and it is easy to use.